Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is currently Wednesday, July 2nd as I'm starting this vlog. It is currently 6:07 in the afternoon. I'm about to head to Pilates, which is very late for me, but this is my favorite instructor and honestly my favorite class. So that's why I'm going to a 6:30 p.m. Pilates class. But I already prepped dinner. I cubed my chicken, put it in the fridge, diced my bell peppers, have everything set out because I didn't want to eat before my class. So yeah, I've got everything ready to throw on the stove when I get back. But I'll show you guys my outfits from Aritzia. It's on sale because they're doing their summer sale right now. I love it. My shrug is from Lulu. My socks are so freaking cute. I don't know if you can see, but they say a teeny bit stronger and they're green. So they match, but I'll have my whole outfit linked down below, but I'm about to head out to my class. I'll vlog in the car a little bit and hopefully in my class if it's not too crowded, but I also need to show you guys my car because I just got it cleaned. This is probably the cleanest it'll ever be, but I got the inside detailed and the outside, so she's looking good. But let's go to Pilates. I'm very, very excited. Oh, thank you.
Make sure you've got 2 red and a blue spring on your reformer. We're gonna do some hand raising.
Hi guys. Okay, so class is over now. I didn't vlog anything because it was Flow and Glow. I guess for the 4th of July, they gave us like these little glow sticks and it was like darker in there. I don't know, it was fun. So yeah, I didn't vlog because it was darker, and also there was somebody training to be a Pilates instructor in there. And yeah, I just felt uncomfortable like filming with 2 instructors. Yeah, it would have been kind of like noticeable. But yeah, it was really, really good. We did a lot of standing work on the reformer, which I love because it's really hard and a lot of balance. I did really good. I'm feeling really good about it. I'm headed home now and I'm gonna eat some dinner. I totally meant to bring my camera. I had it on the bench right by my door and completely forgot it. So that's why we're vlogging on the phone right now. But look how clean my car is. It's literally spotless. I'm obsessed. I'll show you guys the outside too. Feels so good to have a clean car because I never get my car cleaned other than like going through a car wash. But yeah, I'm back from Pilates and I immediately threw the peppers on the stove. I cubed them. They don't look the best, but these are pretty much done. I've got the rice in the microwave, the chicken in the air fryer because it's just so easy. And then I'm gonna throw everything minus the rice into the pan. And this is my secret weapon. You can get this from Trader Joe's. It's so freaking good. Super easy meal. I love chicken and rice. I love peppers. It's like my favorite thing to make and it's super easy and yummy. And I poured a glass of white wine. Not bad, not a bad Wednesday night, almost 8 o'clock. And dinner is served. Got my bowl of rice, and now we just scoop. This is totally a first world problem over here, but I've run out of shows to watch. I've been watching so much TV. I just finished We Were Liars on Prime. I just finished The Waterfront on Netflix. I can't even remember. I've literally finished so much, or watched so much, so I'm out of TV, I feel like. Oh, I'm also watching Love Island. Obviously, that's taking my main focus right now, but it's Wednesday, so there's not an episode. So that's just fantastic. But here's my dinner. I'm gonna sit down and eat this, and I might just watch Sex and the City, to be honest. I might restart that for the 10th time, probably. I don't know. Good morning, guys. I'm running late per usual. Here's my outfit. Feeling festive. It is obviously the next day. It's Thursday, the day before the 4th of July. So I've got some blue on my hat, red shorts, a white top, stars on my shoes. I didn't actually plan that. But these shorts are old Lulu, like back when I used to get the long, like 4-inch Hottie Hots. Yeah, so these are the low-rise 4-inch ones. But they're size 2, which is what I wear. So maybe they were sold out of the high-rise 2.5-inch whenever I got these. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But they're not my favorite. I like the shorter ones and I like the high-rise. So they look kind of weird to me. They're just a little long. But yeah, my tank is from Aritzia. I'll have it linked down below. I really wanted to bring my blue Go Yard out today because obviously like the 4th. But I've got a lot of stuff I need to pack for the day. I'm going to be gone pretty much the whole day. I'm about to swing by Chick-fil-A and get a kids meal really quick and then head to get my nails done. I just got my nails done last week, but I don't like this color. So we're going to go get them redone. And then I've got lashes. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm starving. It's almost noon. I need to eat. I'll see you guys a little later. This is not a good angle, but I'm driving. I just wanted to come on here and say that I literally love Chick-fil-A mobile through. I'm not even kidding you. I was in and out in probably 1 minute and 30 seconds. It was crazy. Got my food, gonna eat that on the way, and I'm actually gonna be early for my nail appointment. So that is a fat sleigh. Dinner, we got this flatbread, spicy vodka pasta, crab cakes, and fries. We're eating good tonight. Welcome to Tori's kitchen, where we are making Jell-O shots. So I do this every year for the 4th of July. It's my contribution to the party. And yeah, this is my 3rd or 4th year in a row doing it. Very excited. Each year they've turned out differently. So, because I like play around with the recipe. So I don't know how we're gonna do them this year. If I want them stronger or not as strong. I feel like they were too strong last year, but yeah, we'll see. So you need Jell-O. Obviously, I have 3 different flavors. I have cherry, strawberry, and berry blue. Got 2 things of Tito's. Definitely probably won't need it all. And you need boiling water, which is why I have the kettle out. You need cold water. You need mixing bowls, obviously. And then I already have my trays lined with these little plastic cups. So we're gonna make about 50 this year. So I'll walk you guys through it as best as I can. I look scary. I definitely do. Okay, ignore my appearance. We're focusing on the Jell-O shots. But so I got my 6 ounce of cherry in. Then we're gonna do 2 cups of boiling water. Maybe next year I'll get crazy and do like the layered ones. Have you seen those where it's like red, white, and blue?
Yeah,
but for the
yeah.
white, you have to do like vanilla or something. Okay, perfect. 2 cups. Oh my God. Okay, and then I need 1.5 cups of vodka and 1/2 cup of cold water. So hold on, before you pour anything in there, in a large bowl, dissolve the Jello powder in 2 cups of boiling water. Then we add the 1.5 cups of vodka and 1/2 cup cold water. Okay. So I guess pour 1.5 cups of vodka in there. Fun fact, but I don't even like vodka. I don't like anything but wine. No, I don't.
You used to drink vodka.
Yeah, I used to.
Funny because you just get bad hangovers from vodka.
Yeah, I get hangovers from anything but wine nowadays.
Or beer.
Or beer. I don't drink beer though that much. No. It's a party. But since we made the recipe stronger, we're gonna have more than 20. So we need to be strategic and just only do 20 of each flavor. So I think we pour this in now. Okay.
Be careful with it.
This is what our mixture is looking like. It smells good. It says do this for 2 minutes.
Can I put the cold water in?
Well, yeah, we gotta do the vodka first. Just say 1/2 cup. Yeah. There we go. You can fill them up pretty generously. Happy 4th. It is the next day. I don't know when I stopped vlogging last night. I want to say it was when I was making Jello shots because my camera, my SD card, ran out of room and I had to go in the app and delete some stuff. And then I guess I just forgot to vlog the rest of the night, but I got all the Jello shots in here. There's a lot. There's 50. So got them in this bag. I'm bringing Luna as well to the lake. Michaela's on the way to pick me up. She should be here in like less than 10 minutes. Here's my outfit. My bikini's from Skims. I got it last year, I think. Yeah, I got it last year. My outfit is from Aritzia. I don't know if you guys can see. Aritzia. And then I brought some linen pants to throw on tonight when we watched the fireworks on the boat. My hat I got in London. And I just found out that actually not that many people are coming today, like family members. I think it's only gonna be a couple people had to cancel last minute. So I think it's just gonna be me, Michaela, my cousin, his wife, my parents, and then my cousin's wife's parents, I think. But we know a lot of people that are going to be out on the lake, so it'll still be a fun time. Luke's in Philly right now for the Chelsea game. So, yeah. But it's going to be fun. I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can. It's going to be very hectic. But I'm going to bring my camera. That's almost dying. So, maybe I should bring the charger for it. But, yeah. I'm excited. Happy 4th. Whoop, whoop. Hi, guys. I am coming on to end the vlog. I failed miserably at vlogging on the 4th. I'm not gonna lie. It was a crazy day. Obviously, I spent it, well, not even obviously. I don't even think I told you guys what I was doing. I thought I did, but I went to the lake with my family. My parents have a little house on the lake. It's like 30 minutes away from where I live, and we just went out on the boat, took some friends and family, and then met up with a bunch of other people on the lake. We grilled out, and then we ended up watching the fireworks until like 10:30, I think is when it was over. But it was a really fun day. I will have inserted pictures and videos as I was talking about what we did. I brought my camera and everything. I just didn't think to pick it up. My cousin was actually gonna bring a drone that his work has, but they needed it. He's a cop and he was gonna borrow it, but they needed it for the weekend. So that would have been really cool if I would have got like drone footage of us on the boat. I definitely should do a lake day vlog soon. I haven't done one in like literally 3 years. I have a GoPro and everything, so I could definitely make that happen. But yeah, overall, it was a really good weekend. I was really hopeful that I was gonna be able to vlog, but I didn't, and that's my fault. And yeah, I hate that I didn't in the vlog. But I have just been going through some personal things. I've been really busy and kind of like in a funk, especially with my content. So yeah, everything's okay. I'm okay. But yeah, I just wanted to be honest with you guys. Yeah, I definitely want to do more vlogs soon for sure. I feel like I owe you guys a really good vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have everything that I wore or showed or talked about in the description box. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will hopefully see you all very soon in my next one. Bye guys.